So what is up guys, welcome to HD Tech YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be answering the biggest question, and that is, should you buy the iPhone SE in 2020? iPhone SE was launched in 2016 and from that time in 2017 I bought the iPhone SE and I have not used one iPhone SE but two iPhone SEs. Yes guys, in today's video I'm going to be telling you my story behind both of these iPhones, and I think I can explain the best. I'm using the iPhone SE. In fact, today itself I'm still using an iPhone SE as my secondary device, and in today's video I am going to be discussing that should you even consider buying the iPhone SE. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then please consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, you will ask me that why I have two iPhone SE. First of all, I bought this iPhone SE in 2017 later part. In the month of November or December, I bought this iPhone and I was extremely impressed with this iPhone. But after a couple of months, I dropped this in water. It was a very bad experience, but it suffered a water damage and hence the display started to go haywire. Okay, it was opening the apps by its own, so it was practically functionless. So I ordered a replacement display and I replaced it myself. After that, the phone was working very good, and later I thought to add the jailbreak. Okay, I thought of jailbreaking this iPhone, and hence I installed all of the jailbreak tweaks, and after that the battery started to give lots of issues. Okay, in 1 hour of full charge the battery went from 100% to 0%, and that was a big problem. So I ordered another battery for this iPhone. I installed the battery and it was working okay, but after a couple of months, due to the water damage, this iPhone became completely irresponsive. It is still stuck on boot logo and I cannot do anything for this. I even showed this iPhone to my nearest Apple reseller, and that person said that we do not cover the water damage in our warranty. So guys, at that time I was using a Redmi Note 5 smartphone and the iPhone SE. So I was really upset by this and I kept this, and at that time I got an idea and I sold my existing iPhone 6, and by giving some extra money I bought another iPhone SE, and this is the rose gold iPhone SE which I am currently using. Okay, the earlier one was a 16GB variant while this is a 32GB variant. So guys, in entire 2018 I have used this iPhone with addition to the Redmi Note 5 smartphone. But in 2019, in the March month, I went to United States, and in that visit I had this phone and the Redmi Note 5 smartphone, both I had taken, and at that time I was impressed with the performance of the iPhone SE. This was a 32GB smartphone, and hence with addition to Google Photos I was able to take all of the photos in that trip in this iPhone. So I really think that the storage variant might be slow, but you install the Google Photos application and hence you save lot of space. So guys, this was a pretty great device, and let me tell you, like the only reason I bought the second iPhone SE, and that was because the form factor. It is a very small iPhone up to this point, and I really like using small iPhones. So guys, in short, let me conclude that both of these iPhones, or in general the iPhone SE, is more than capable. Make sure that when you are buying a second-hand iPhone SE that you buy minimum 32GB model, because in my 16GB variant you get like only 10GB of free storage, like 5 to 6GB is already software occupied, and hence you only get 10GB of storage. So make sure you try to get the 32GB variant or the 64GB variant. So guys, now the question comes, and that is, will I recommend you using the iPhone SE? Well guys, I am personally using the Realme X smartphone as my primary smartphone right now, and hence I am using the iPhone SE as a secondary device, and it is not at all a bad smartphone for using as a secondary device. It has a 4K 30fps video recording option. You are getting a 12 megapixel back camera which takes beautiful photos, and as a secondary every device, this phone definitely worth it. And let me tell you, for those people who are planning to buy this iPhone for playing PUBG or any other heavy gaming, well guys, the processor of this iPhone is more than capable. 2 GB of RAM on this iPhone works like butter, and there is no problem at all buying this iPhone for playing PUBG. Okay, you cannot play PUBG at full graphics, but at medium graphics or at low graphics, this iPhone outperforms any other smartphone. So guys, my final conclusion will be yes, the iPhone SE still works in 2020. It is also going to be getting the iOS 14 update according to few sources, and definitely if you can get the iPhone SE from like 6,000 to 8,000 rupees, then the iPhone SE is a definitely buy. So guys, many of you ask me, and that is like, from where can we get affordable iPhones? Well, if you are living in India, you can try going on the SellBuddy official website, or you can search on eBay. I personally get lots of good deals on eBay itself. Again, you have to pay lot of shipping charges, but the pricing is very minimum or like kind of affordable. So guys, hope you have liked today's video, and my conclusion will be yes, the iPhone SE definitely holds in 2020 as a secondary smartphone. Okay, if you are having a great Android smartphone, then there is no problem having the iPhone SE as a secondary smartphone. But the only problem for me with this iPhone has to be the battery life. So if you have liked today's video, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and smartphone world, then please consider subscribing to our channel, as it really motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,